Okay, so here we have a graph that we want to sketch of a function, and we want to use the ideas of the toolkit function and transformations. Now you could make just a table of values, but it's probably better, easier in the long run, to do the transformations and then check it with a table of values. Okay, so it looks like we have a quadratic function. So we know that looks like this, right? Okay, and then what are the pieces telling us? Well, this says shift 2 to the left. 2 left. Okay, so I can go over here 2 to the left, and I can kind of draw a little parabola here. And I'm just going to make it a dotted parabola, but it's looking like that because it's not our final answer. Okay, then what does this part say? That part says it's got to reflect about the x-axis. So we want to flip it upside down. Let's see. And so again, this isn't quite our final answer, but it looks like that now. And then the last transformation we have on this is the -1. So the -1 is going to shift down. Okay. So that gives me, if I take all those points and shift down, then I'm getting a graph that's, this is my answer, that looks something like that. Should go up there maybe a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to stop playing around with trying to draw it. Okay, but it looks like that. Now, what I was saying about a table of values, you could check it. So look at the x and f of x values you have. It looks like you have a value here at what, -4, and one at -3, and -2, -1, and 0. And then you could plug those numbers in and see if they work out for you. So when I say plug that in, I'm saying f of -4. I'm going to just write one of them out for you. And you get minus -2 squared minus 1, which is -4 minus 1, which is -5. So we're saying, according algebraically, figuring out these points, if I plug in a -4, I get out a -5. And is that point right there? And it is. And you can check all the points that way.